I've always wanted my channel to feel like a community, like a club for silver stackers to go and hang out and share our passion and build friendships, have fun, conversate. But unfortunately, YouTube can't really offer that, and it's heavily censored. So I've decided to create our own club for silver stackers. And in this club, we can freely and exclusively chat without worrying about bots or getting lost in YouTube comments or the video violating community guidelines. Also offering a platform where I can genuinely speak freely on any topic, even if it's controversial, whereas YouTube, I have to carefully word everything I say, show, and the topics I cover, and this new platform is truly a place for free speech. I'll post early access to videos, club membership giveaways and prizes, and I can actually live stream on there. So I'll be doing weekly club live streams, and since the community will be much smaller, it will be a lot more personal, and I can interact with all the members of the club easier than this YouTube channel alone. I'll be shooting video ideas with you and brainstorming new ideas where you will be able to help me in what I do as well, which again, YouTube can't really offer. And since there are several tiers, the lowest being $5 a month, it will hopefully block out all the trolls and negativity so we can really have a fun and safe place along with supporting me in this channel. I haven't been this excited about a project in a long time, and I'm happy to announce the club is now open, and I hope to see you in the clubhouse. Go check out patreon.com/silverslayer. Links in the description and the pinned comment. I did want to say, just watching my videos here and subscribing is extremely appreciated. I'm just offering a way for those who'd like to join more of a silver stacking community, as well as supporting me and what I do. I love you all. See you in the next video.